guys, welcome to Algebra Maths. Today in Algebra Maths I will be teaching sequence. What is sequence? Sequence is arrangement of number following a pattern. Okay, sequence. Okay, when we say sequence, what is the meaning of sequence? You say sequence is the arrangement of a number following a pattern. Okay, when we arrange a number, or when you see a set of numbers, that set of numbers follow a certain pattern. It means that that number or those set of numbers are in sequence. Take for instance, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Now, if you observe these numbers, you discover that these numbers follow a pattern. So what is the pattern? I was just adding 2 to get this, I added 2 to get this, I added 2 to get this, I added 2 to get this. So there's a pattern. Okay, that pattern, that orderly manner this number follows is what we call what? Sequence. Now in sequence, we have two types of sequence. We have the AP and we have the GP. Alright, now the AP is called arithmetic progression. Okay, we call this AP arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Now, other word for this arithmetic progression is linear sequence. You can as well call it linear sequence. Alright, now for GP is geometric progression. Okay, geometric progression. Alright, now other word for this geometric progression is exponential sequence. Exponential sequence. Okay, that is other word for the geometric progression is what? Exponential sequence. Alright, now I'll use the first one, which is AP. In the first one, which is AP, that is in this arithmetic progression, we need basically 3 formulas. Okay, we need 3 formulas to solve any problem involving this arithmetic progression. The first one is we have Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 or bracket D. Okay, Tn, that's the number of 10, equals to A is the first term plus open bracket n, the number of 10 minus 1 close of bracket D. This is the common difference. Okay, we need the first formula. Then we have another formula which is Sn equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 or bracket D. Okay, this is the sum of the number of 10. Okay, they ask you find the sum of the first 2, find the sum of the first 6, find the sum of the first 8. This is the formula. This one just you're looking for the number of 10. Okay, we have another one which is Sn equals to n over 2 bracket A plus L. Alright, now in AP, this is basically the 3 formulas you need. Okay, with these 3 formulas, there's no question in AP you cannot solve. Alright, now for GP, we also have this formula too. The first one is Tn equals to E arrow n minus 1. Okay, we have Tn equals to E arrow n minus 1. Okay, A is the first term, arrow is the word common ratio, Yn is the number of 10 minus 1. Okay, the second one is Sn equals to A bracket 1 minus arrow raised by n close your bracket over 1 minus arrow. Now, you use this formula when arrow is less than 1. When arrow is less than 1. Okay, we use this. Then the other one is Sn equals A bracket arrow is by n minus 1 over arrow minus 1. We use this when arrow is greater than 1. Okay, now in AP, these are the 3 formulas we need. Then in GP, these are also the 3 formulas we need. All right. Now, what is the difference between AP and GP? In AP is common difference, but in GP is what? Common ratio. Are you following? So that's the difference between AP and GP. For AP is common difference, but in GP is what? Common ratio. Okay, you get the common difference by either adding or subtracting, but in GP you get the common ratio by either multiplying or dividing. They say, what is the 23rd term of the arithmetic progression? Okay, what is the 23rd term of the arithmetic progression? We are given the sequence, that is the AP. We have -7, -3, 1, and so on. Now, in this question, they want us to get the 23rd term. They gave us the first term, they gave us the second term, they gave us the third term. So what would the 23rd number be? Let's go look at it. So I have solution. I have -7, -3, then 1. Okay. Now, this is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. First, my first term, A, is what? -7. I'll write -7. Then my D is common difference. My D is common difference. How did they get this number? Okay, to get the common difference, what I will do is this. I will subtract these two. That is -3, -3, -7, -7. So I have -3, minus will give me +7. So -3 + 7, that will give me what? 4. So meaning they got this number by adding 4. Look at it. -7 + 4, I'll get -3. Then -3 + 4, I will get 1. So they generate this number by adding 4. So that is the common difference now is 4. So common difference is 4. Now I want to get the 23rd number. That is T23 is what? Question mark. Now let me use the formula now. Let's go. I have Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 or bracket D. T23 equals to my A, which is -7, plus my n, your bracket first, n23 - 1, then my D, which is what? 4. Okay, so I have T23 equals to -7 plus, this will give me 22 or bracket 4. Okay, so I have T23 equals to -7, okay, plus, multiply these two, this will give me 88. So I will have T23 equals to, now, -7 plus 88. -7 plus 88, that will give me 81. So I have 81. So meaning the 23rd number is what? 81. The 23rd number is 81. Thank you. God bless you.